This is the nail polish thinner that the internet is in an uproar about because of the ingredient heptane, saying that it will melt your glitter. I have never had that issue. This is a 25-year-old bottle of glitter nail polish. I have rehydrated it several times since high school. The glitter is completely intact, no issues. Still goes on like it's brand new. Same brand, slightly discolored, also has been rehydrated, in need of rehydration yet again. The glitter's intact. The discoloration is not from glitter eroding, that is just from the base yellowing with time, and I can prove that with these clear Sally Hansen polishes. As you can see, they've yellowed with time. This NYC top coat also yellowed with time. Has nothing to do with the heptane. This is at Pure Ice glittery polish. Glitter, it's not quite glitter, it's more like silver flaky, kind of metallic. It's really pretty. I do have a backup bottle, but since this is a duplicate, I rehydrate it with this one. I don't see why I should use the more expensive one when I still have an original bottle that hasn't been opened. So save money where I can, right? This is a bottle of glitter, also about 25 years old. Never rehydrated because when I went to use it one day, the holographic effect of the glitter was gone and the particle sizes were a lot smaller. It literally eroded all by itself without being diluted with anything. So because it no longer was a similar color, I didn't really see the point of rehydrating it or using it, so I just left it be. And I have a sneaky suspicion this happened because this was a non-nail polish grade glitter, and the chemicals that make up nail polish melted it. Had nothing to do with the thinner, just plain nail, ingredients did it to itself. And it's very similar to what happened to the picture, that's going on online saying that the heptane is doing it. And I really think that it wasn't the heptane, it was just a cheap glitter. So, in conclusion, if you have nail polishes that are new and they can be replaced because they're not vintage, they're not discontinued, I think you'll be just fine saving a few dollars and just getting this to rehydrate them. I mean, why pay a whole $9 for half the amount, especially if you could just go and grab a new bottle at Target or Walmart or whatever. Save some money, get an extra color of nail polish instead.